you a very delicious treat for the kids for 4th of July. The kids at home could help you make them, decor them, and you know something, they're perfect and everybody loves them. Cookies, lollipops, well, we'll see what we're gonna do. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have Oreo cookies, little straws, colored straws, blue and red, sprinkles. I have icing sugar, red, blue, and I have, of course, white chocolate. This is everything we need. So let's get started and let's have the kids help us prepare this delicious treat for 4th of July. So let's get started. I want to start with the chocolate. I'm going to go ahead, open the bag, and I'm going to pour it in this little plastic container because I'm going to take it to the microwave and I'm going to dissolve it in 20-30 seconds at a time until it's completely dissolved. We want to make sure that we take our time dissolving our little pebbles of chocolate. I'm going to reserve it, put it aside, and I'm going to continue getting out the little stars. It comes with stars and little circles, but we are only using the white stars. Let me show it to you so that you could see it. It's gonna take time to separate the little stars from the little blue and green pebbles, but I'm gonna reserve all the stars because those are the ones that we are going to be using. I'm gonna put it aside. I have here the little straws. I have red and blue, and of course, if you don't have these straws, you could use the wooden straws. So here I'm just gonna cut them in half so that I have enough for the little lollipops. Look at this. They're made out of paper, so I'm gonna just go ahead and continue cutting them, making the sets. Of course, you could make as much or as many as you want. I'm just giving you an idea what you could do with your kids at home now that we have them on vacation and they're here at home. They could help us. They really love doing this kind of things. I have the icing here, the blue and the red, and here are my Oreo cookies. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, put them aside, and I'm gonna get my parchment paper. The reason that I'm using the parchment paper is so that when I put the chocolate on the cookie, I can lay it on top of the parchment paper and it will not stick. I want to show you how I'm going to start adding the little straws, paper straws, right in the Oreo cookie. You want to press it down, make it very, very thin, and then just slide it into the cookie. Just like this. Look, the cookie has the sugar in the center, and that's what's gonna hold the straw inside. Look at this. You're just gonna press right in the corner of the straw, making sure that it's really thin, and then you're gonna slide it into the Oreo cookie. Of course, that you could have the kids help you doing this step. This is very easy, a little bit time consuming, but you know something, at the end, the kids really do have a lot of fun. My chocolate is already dissolved. All my cookies are here, and I'm gonna start adding the sugar, the chocolate, right on the top. You wanna go ahead, add a little bit at a time, spread it around, making sure that we cover the whole cookie. We're gonna do one side first, just like this. I like doing this part and just having the kids do the decoration on top of the cookies. We want to cover the whole Oreo. Okay, I'm going to continue. I want to show you how this looks, and I am going to continue doing one more so that you could see the way I prepare it. I know that it takes time, but when the kids are at home, let's enjoy them. Let's have them help us do the decoration. The chocolate is going to set in about 5 to 10 minutes. We want to make sure that the chocolate gets really nice and hard before we do our decoration on the top. But look, we cover right on the top, making sure that we cover it completely and no brown pieces show. This is such a cute and great idea for 4th of July. You really don't need too much of the chocolate or too much Oreos for home. Just do a little bit and enjoy your time with your family. And here I am showing you how I'm doing just the cookies covered with chocolate. I added just a little lump of chocolate on the bottom on the parchment paper, and then I laid on top the Oreo cookie so that the Oreo cookie is more stable and I am able to cover it just like this. This is what I do. I just put a little bit of chocolate on the parchment paper, press down the cookie, and then just cover it. Okay, these are done. I'm going to put them aside, and I want to show you the lollipops. I have them right here. The chocolate has set completely, and now I am ready to start adding the red and blue icing. I'm going to start with the red, and what I'm trying to do is make the lines of the flag. So I'm just going to go ahead, take my time, squeeze a little bit at a time so not too much comes out. The icing takes about 15 to 20 minutes to set. So that's why when the chocolate sets, then you could lay on top the icing. This step is very important because if the chocolate has not set and you add the icing will just slip away. So let's wait the 10 minutes until the chocolate sets completely before we add the icing sugar on the top. And I'm just doing it carefully because I'm trying to make the little lines of the flag, and then I am ready to start making a little triangle right on the corner to add the blue icing, just like this. When this is done, I'm going to start very carefully adding the stars. And I'm going to help myself with the little sticks. Just like this. We're going to press on them and start adding one by one, just like this. And they start looking so beautiful, and now you could really tell that it's a flag. The decoration, it's a flag. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to do one more, continue with the rest, of course. I'm going to do one more so that you could see how I do the little square, the little triangle right on the top. And then slowly I start adding the stars. The kids are looking at me like saying, Mom, when can I start helping you? And I'm sure that they're really happy because they're going to help me do the decorations on the top. I just wanted to show you this step. It's very easy. And like I said, the kids really enjoy making their art on top of the cookies. Okay, these are done. And now I am ready to have my kids help me with the decoration. And this is the presentation.
They just came out amazing. My kids had a great time decorating, helping me decorate. They tried making flowers. I mean, this just looks amazing, and it's beautiful being with your kids, having them practice and doing art in this cookie. I just had a lot of fun. Well, I am completely done, and I can't wait to taste them. Look at this. Let's see how it tastes. Just amazing. I hope you have a beautiful 4th of July with your family. Enjoy the kids. And if you want to make this recipe, have the kids help you. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. And every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this candy with my kids. Happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.